Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into tools and gadgets that make life easier. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best screwdriver set you can get your hands on, the best screwdriver set with magnetic tips, designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Let's unpack why this 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set by Anylot deserves a spot in every toolbox. At first glance, the set impresses with its sleek, compact design. The sturdy storage case opens to reveal an organized layout of precision-engineered bits, 8 long and 32 short pieces that cover Phillips, flathead, Torx, hex, and several other specialized heads. Whether you're fixing electronics, assembling furniture, tuning up your bicycle, or repairing a watch, this set is ready for any challenge you throw at it. Now, the star of the show here is the T-handle ratcheting screwdriver. Crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, it feels solid but never heavy in your hand. The handle uses a 58-tooth ratchet mechanism, which translates to smooth, efficient torque with minimal wrist strain. You can tighten or loosen screws quickly, and with up to 50 Newton-meters of torque output, this tool makes even the toughest jobs effortless. It's designed for comfort, control, and power, giving you up to 80% labor savings compared to traditional screwdrivers. The magnetic precision in this set is where it really earns its professional title. Every bit locks firmly in place, eliminating the frustration of bits slipping out or getting lost. Plus, the storage case doubles as a magnetic recharging base. Every time you put a bit back, it regains magnetic strength automatically. That means your bits are always ready to hold screws securely, whether you're working on delicate electronics or heavy household projects. Durability is another big win here. Each bit is made from high-strength S2 steel, a material known for its superior toughness and wear resistance. Over time, these bits won't round off or chip easily, ensuring consistent performance even after countless uses. For anyone who regularly works with different screw types, this is a long-term investment that pays off in reliability. The portability factor makes it even better. The entire 42-piece kit fits neatly in a compact case that slips into a backpack, drawer, or glove box. No loose bits, no mess. Just a ready-to-go toolkit you can carry anywhere. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional technician, or just someone who likes to fix things around the house, you'll appreciate how quickly you can grab the right tool and get the job done. What really sets this kit apart is its balance of versatility, build quality, and thoughtful design. Every element, from the ergonomic handle to the magnetic retention system, shows attention to detail. It's the kind of tool that feels premium and performs like it too, without breaking the bank. So if you've been searching for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use screwdriver set that can handle everything from small electronics to furniture assembly, the 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set from Anylot is a clear winner. It's compact, powerful, and built to last, truly the best screwdriver set with magnetic tips for professionals and DIYers alike. That wraps up today's review. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product insights, and let us know in the comments what tool you'd like us to test next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.